There is a 0.99955 probability that a randomly selected 31-year-old female lives through the year. An insurance company wants to offer her a 1-year policy with a death benefit of $400,000. How much should the company charge for this policy if it wants an expected return of $700 from all similar policies? Well, the expected value of a discrete random variable x is denoted by capital E, and it is the mean value of the outcomes. So expected value E is the mean, which is equal to the sum of x times the probability of that random variable x. Now again, x consists of all possible events, and probability of x is the probability of each event that's occurring. Now we want to determine how much money the 31-year-old female gets if she lives. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this event. So we have the first event, which represents if the 31-year-old female lives. Well, what is the value of x? Well, the value of x is $0. And that's if she lives. The probability of x is 0.99955, because that is the probability that a randomly selected 31-year-old female lives throughout the year. So now in the last column, we're going to take x, which is 0, and we're going to multiply it by 0.999555, and that gives us 0. Now the next is that the event if the 31-year-old female dies. Now if the female dies, then that means the death benefit is going to be $400,000. And now what is the probability that if the female dies? Well, that's going to be the complement of if the 31-year-old female lives. So if we take the following value, if we take 1 and then subtract 0.999555, excuse me, just 1 5 there, then we're going to get negative or 4.5 times 10 to the negative 4. Move that over 4 decimal places, and what we end up getting is 0.00045. So therefore, 1 minus that is the complement. So therefore, if we take $400,000 and multiply it by the probability that if the female dies, is going to give us the following amount, $180. Therefore, if the company charges nothing, its expected loss is $180. Now, to have an expected return of $700, the premium it charges must make up for this loss plus $700. So we're going to calculate this value by taking 180 and then adding $700, which gives us $880. Therefore, the company should charge $880.